Hey guys, today we're going to make a cool multiple stroke text effect in Photoshop. Welcome to the channel, my name's Mark, and as you can see here we have a document already open with a black background. So let's grab the type tool by hitting T on the keyboard and let's put in some text. Now I'm going to type in create ink. I know it's very original. I'm going to center it up there. Now we're going to apply the first stroke. So let's right click it and select blending options. And let's tick stroke here. Let's select stroke. And now we can adjust the settings here. So the first stroke I'm going to do is going to be a nice yellowy color. I know it's got some Lakers vibes to it. Hit OK. And OK again. Now we're going to duplicate that text layer by pressing Command J. Then I'm going to select our original below it. Now let's open up our blending options for that layer by double clicking the effects icon. Let's select color overlay. And this is going to be the color of our text behind that. So I'm going to choose maybe a aqua blue color here. I pasted it to 100% and hit OK. Now we're going to just drag off our purple font to reveal the layer underneath. Just to the right a bit, you can also use the arrows on your keyboard for more precise maneuvers. Now we're also going to go back into our blending options for our blue text, and I'm going to turn off the stroke. Hit OK again. Now I reckon we could do one more text layer, so let's duplicate that again. Back into blending options for that duplicate. Back into color overlay, and let's make a new color, maybe a pinky red color, something like that. A little bit more red, there we go. Hit OK again, and let's do the same thing. Let's move our pink text layer across from the blue, and then the purple across from the pink. Now what we can do is we can select all these text layers by holding Shift. Let's press Command G or Control G to put them in a group. And now let's right click blending options. Let's apply a stroke to the entire group for these layers. Now let's make it another reddy pink color, maybe more pink this time. And then I'm just going to make the stroke a little bit smaller. And there we go, that looks pretty cool to me. Now obviously you can make all sorts of different layers and different colors and different combinations, so play around with it and have some fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.